Good day everyone. This is my topic about participation and interaction through social media. So first, introduction. A decade ago, many people were not familiar with social media. Today, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube are part of everyday life. And technology has changed how people communicate and interact. Now let's move on to communication revolution. In the 1990s, communication technology rapidly developed. Satellite and cable TV expanded worldwide. Mobile phones and internet became widely used. This creation is what we call information society or network society. Now, what is new media? New media refers to electronic communication using digital technology. It includes internet, cable, and satellite telecommunication, and digital platforms. New media allows faster and easier sharing of information. Now, forms of social media. Social media includes blog, social networking sites, forums, microblogs, photo sharing, video sharing, online gaming, product and services reviews, and lastly, virtual worlds. Next, social networking sites. Examples: Facebook, Twitter, and Google. These platforms allows users to stay connected with friends, share informations, plan events, and join discussion. Now, how social media change communication? Social media has changed the way people communicate instantly, share ideas globally, access information quickly, participates in online communities. It makes communication faster, easier, and more interactive. And lastly, importance of social media participation. Now, what is the importance of social media participation? So first is encourage active communication, builds relationships, promotes collaboration, spreads awareness and information, supports businesses and organizations. Conclusion: technology has transformed society into a connected world. Social media plays a big role in participation. And lastly, it continues to shape how people communicate and share information. That's all I think.